Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix low volume on a MacBook Pro. So first of all, open the control center from the top right corner of your screen. Here you will find the volume slider. Simply adjust the volume by moving the slider to the left or right according to your preference. Now check if the volume issue is resolved. If the issue is still there, from the bottom menu, open System Settings. Once the settings panel opens up on the screen, find and click on the sound section. Here, all the sound-related settings will appear on your screen. First, make sure the alert volume slider is set to high. This controls the sound for notifications and system alerts on your MacBook. After that, scroll down and open the output section. Here, you can adjust the main speaker volume by moving the volume slider. If the sound is low, move the slider toward the right side to increase it. Also, make sure the balance slider is set in the middle. If the balance is moved too far to the left or right, one speaker may sound quieter than the other. Once everything is set properly, test your speaker volume again. And that's it. This is how you can fix low volume on a MacBook Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.